Hi, Zan here from Vital Body. I have an awesome recommendation for you today. Finding a great cookbook can take time. I've collected many cookbooks, and when I recommend a cookbook, it's because I've used it for a long time. There's many recipes that I would do again. I've cooked many recipes. It's an easy go-to. Now, yes, there's more complex cookbooks, but this is home cooking that tastes delicious and really works with our phase 2 and 3. So what that means is there's fat for flavor. The carbs are not the centerpiece, they're the accompaniments. There's protein, lots of veggies. So this book is called Nothing Fancy, Alison Roman. She's American, she's really neat, she's a great writer. Her recipes are super readable, super doable. You can make adjustments, use the oil instead of butter. There's lots of grab what you've got kind of thing in your fridge. She's not fussy and everything works. Her braised short ribs, amazing. She's got just a way of doing mushrooms as a side or warm olives, just all these things that elevate, and you really can hit your macros super easily, make everyone happy. Great for hosting, even though it's not designed like a hosting setup of a cookbook, but gosh, you can do a lot with this cookbook. So as you can see, I've got little tabs, I've got lots of notes in here. I find her fun, and I have lots of friends that use her cookbooks, and they too find it approachable, successful, and an easy go-to when you're like, oh, what should I make? I cook a lot from recipes. And yeah, it's really nice to have. I know you can always go online, but sometimes I just want a book with photos and I want to be off the internet as we are on here now. All right, thanks everyone. Enjoy being well, enjoy taking care of yourself, eat well, be well. Blessings.